today I show you how to use KEPServer to connect to the indicator by modbus. So in the indicator side, that PLC has been set up, PLC section has been set up. So the first address 4001 is for gross weight, and for command, for 141025 is for command to zero scale. So you can see in the ZM channel, it's modbus Ethernet IP. This is the IP address of indicator. Also, you need to double check data encoding settings. Make sure they have the same order as as your indicator. Then we add two tag. One is gross weight, that is read from indicator. You can see the gross weight address is 4001 and the data type is word. This really depends your indicator settings. So right now we use integer 16 in the indicator, so I choose word. And also at the other button for zero scale, it is in the indicator side is 41025. So in this software, you will automatically, if you enter 41025, you will automatically change to 401025. So press OK. Then you run it. Press OPI. Then you can choose the weight. This is the weight. I change the scale side. You can see the weight change, same as the indicator. Then we can write. Because current value is 1, we need to write 1 to 0 scale. So you see the scale is 0. So if I change it again, change it to 0, press OK. So if you want 0 scale, so you'll need change the value of current value. I mean, if it is 0, you should change it to 0. If it is current value is 0, you need to change it to 1. And the current value is 1, you need to change to 0. So press OK. So you see the 0 scale. And also, I have one mistake. So this should not be word, should be short. And this should too. Right. So if short, can show the minus number. See. Okay, right. We'll try again. Current value is 1. We write. Current value is 0. We write 1. So you have 0 scale. And also you can add the net weight, gross weight, tail weight, also the status. Very important. You need to add status like motion, overload, or underload. That is very important. Okay, thank you for your watching.